Hi friends, good evening. How are you? I hope are you doing well. Welcome in my YouTube channel for learning English. English means not a subject. We are teached English like as a subject, but English is not only a subject. English is a language. If you want to learn any new language, you have to do lot of practice. First you understand the basic, second you learn how to how to sentence are formed, then you try to speak little bit english daily. You must देखिए मैं आप लोगों को एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. लैंग्वेज लर्निंग इज नॉट इजी as you think. English language is not your native language, so that it will take time to make a rhythm, to make fluency. If you want to become a good English speaker like as a native, you have to do lot of things daily. First, listen. Listening is very important. If you listen, your ear, your mind will catch sounds, they how they pronunciation words. Learn them, then your mind will absorb how to pronunciation words, how to make sentences, where I used first form, where I used second form, where I used a third form. Today I am going to teach you in easy way, step by step. So join me and improve your English speaking skills. First things, you have to do practice every day, minimum 30 to 40 minutes every day. Reading 30 minutes, and one page, one paragraph, two times, three times, four times. First time for pronunciation, how pronounce words, second time fluency, third time meaning, and again, two three times, four times, repeating it for rhythm. Don't be afraid for mistakes. When wherever you get the chance to speak English, to conversate in English with others, you don't be hesitate, don't feel shy, don't be afraid. Do don't be afraid for making mistakes, because mistake is your friend. If you do mistake, most importantly you speak fluently with the rhythm. Fluency means not speed, fluency means maintain the rhythm. Think sentence, speak sentence, this is a gap, there is a gap, you have to maintain the gap. Think in English language, then speak. Like as in practicing, while you speak, you want to speak fluently, go stay front of the mirror, say about your introduction, about daily routines. Like as today I wake up, today I woke up early in the morning, then I took my brush, then I did my teeth clean, then I had my breakfast, then I get dressed for my school. If you want to tell in future, I will wake up tomorrow at 6 p.m. Then I will take shower. Then I will have my lunch, my breakfast. Then I will go to my school. Tomorrow is my school open at 8:30 a.m. So I have to attend my school on time. Practice make you perfect. If you practice every day, you get more. Like as example, speak daily. What kind of work you are doing right now? You speak in English language, not in Hindi language, not in your native language. Like as I am going to market for taking vegetables, I am going to temple for worshipping God, I am I am going to park for doing exercise. I I will go to I will go to market tomorrow for taking vegetables. I am doing something. He is doing something. They are doing something. So now I want to tell you, if you want to become a good English speaker, first you know basic, main basic. Basic means subject. A subject, you have to know about the subject. Second, you must know grammar, a tense, imperative sentence, modal verb, causative verb. You these are, if you know very well, you can speak English fluently like as a native speaker. Modal verb means Modal verb means can, could, should, would, must, ought to, will have to, had to, need to, dare to, used to. If you do something in your past, you speak I used to do this. Like as I used to play there, I used to take coffee there. I need a pen, I need a pencil for writing, I need book for study. Should means चाहिए. You should speak English, you should do exercise, you should run every day 1 to 2 kilometers. You should speak in English. Must, there is some important work you want to do, you use the must. Like as I must go to hospital because my friend was injured there. I must study, I must go to school daily, we must play cricket, we must do exercise daily. Ought to, you use ought in a, like as a national, like as a kindness words. Like as you ought to obey your parents order, you ought to obey traffic rules. I can speak, I can run, he can cook food, I can climb the mountain, I can climb the tree, I can eat 5 chocolate, I can drink 1 liter milk. Like as if you want to become a good English speaker, do practice every day. Thanks, best of luck. Join me, subscribe my channel, watch my video, and don't forget doing practice every day, because practice make you perfect. If you do lot of practice, if you do more practice, your fluency will improve, you will get more. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.